So this function is a quotient. So we go f prime of x is equal to the square of the denominator. So secant squared of x plus cosecant squared of x the whole squared, and then secant squared of x plus cosecant squared of x, since it's a sum, times d by dx of the numerator minus the numerator times d by dx of the denominator, which is secant squared of x plus cosecant squared of x. So this is equal to, so d by dx of 15 is 0, and 0 multiplied with anything is 0, minus 15, and now we differentiate. It's a sum, so we differentiate the first function plus the derivative of the second function, and that's all divided by secant squared of x plus cosecant squared of x the whole squared, which is equal to negative 15 times secant squared of x is secant of x the whole squared. So when we differentiate it, we get 2 secant of x times, chain rule, the inner function is secant of x, so we differentiate the inner function, which is secant of x. Notice the inner function is secant of x, plus cosecant x the whole squared. So it's going to be 2 cosecant of x times d by dx of cosecant of x, the whole divided by secant of x, secant squared of x plus cosecant squared of x the whole squared. And this is equal to negative 15 times 2 secant of x times secant of x tangent of x plus 2 cosecant of x times negative cosecant of x cotangent of x, the whole divided by secant squared of x plus cosecant squared of x the whole squared. And this is equal to minus 15, and this is 2 secant squared of x times tangent of x minus 2 cosecant squared of x times cotangent of x, secant squared of x plus cosecant squared of x the whole squared. Now we could try simplifying. Let's see if it can look a little better than this. So we're going to pull the 2 out and write it as 30 times. 15 times 2 is 30, and we're going to pull the 2 out in the next step. So we have let's see, 1 over cosine squared of x times tangent is sine x over cosine of x. Doesn't look like it can be simplified any further. Nothing cancels, so therefore we just write it as negative 30 secant squared of x tangent of x minus cosecant squared of x times cotangent of x, whole divided by secant squared of x plus cosecant squared of x the whole squared.